These things always get stuck. Every single time.
You filming?
Am I filming? Yes.
Oh, hey. Hey.
It's about time I show you around the car. You guys actually haven't seen it yet. I mean, you've seen it for a little bit. It was just a quick kind of walk around, you know, you didn't actually get to see it in full.
Oh, hi.
It is so sweaty and hot today. I don't think I needed to bring any mods or anything, did I?
No. You weren't doing them, were you?
Nah, next video I've got like some LED lights going in and some other like little bits like grill. Woo, baby, she's back. So we're here, Cologne Airfield. I bring all of my cars here, my first cars, my 350Z, my 355i, and obviously this is number 3 in the range of cars for the channel. Now, to give you guys a little bit of a backstory about why I'm actually doing this and why I went for another 355i is because if I was to go back to my start of YouTube, I had 2,500 subscribers before I really started to take off. I had a 355i and I sold it before actually doing anything like too serious with it. And I kind of feel like I'm indebted to you guys to pull through and actually do what I wanted to do in the first place with this car. This time I've actually gone out and got a white one, which is obviously what I wanted in the first place, which is, you know, when I actually bought my original one, it was white, but then obviously it was blue. Got my personal photographer with me right now. I owe it to you lot. For any of you guys that are day one guys, yeah, there's a few, and I explained that in my original reveal video, I guess. It's for you, and for me, obviously. So, this car, 63,000 miles, white, E93, hardtop convertible. There's like 3 things that's really been done to it. The first thing is this flat bottom steering wheel. It's a BMW M Performance steering wheel. Obviously it's upside down right now, but this is like an optional extra, I believe, worth quite a lot of money. We've got the BMW M Performance exhaust. Sounds alright, not too loud. Obviously it needs to be a lot louder. I've got a few things in line that I've already purchased to make it sound a little bit better. Other than that, it is completely standard, a completely fresh car to work on. Black leather interior, piano black trim. It's got cruise control and it's got this little adaptive kind of, what's this thing here? It's got this little radar thing here, which for a 57 plate was really high tech or something at the time. So it's like cruise control, but then also if the car cuts in front of you, it will then put on your brakes for you and slow you down to keep you at a certain distance. But I've got a few big expensive visual mods come in, and I've also got some performance mods, some of which are already in my possession, but some are coming. This is gonna go stage 2 plus MHD, aiming for around 430, 450. 450 is ideally where I wanna be. But yeah, if you enjoy the video and you want to keep up to date with this build, please drop a like on this video. But yeah, I'd appreciate it. Just drop a like, drop a comment, any comment whatsoever, follow the build.